Hey ninjas, you made it to day 4, our last day in lesson 3 together. Today, students and parents, I know it doesn't say that on the page, but you're going to need teachers page 44 today, and students, you are going to need page 44 as well. Like I said, we are in our last lesson in 3. We're going to be focusing today on the long E sound. I know this week we've been working on some short vowels, so we're going to practice today with the long E sound. And long E can be spelled I-E or it can be spelled E-Y. Listen to the word key. K-E. I hear E is the vowel sound in the word key. Let's say the word together. K-E, key. What is the vowel sound in the word? E is right. Let's practice with some other words. I have the word chief. Say the word with me. Chief. Ch-E-F. Chief. Do you hear that long E sound? This time, the long E sound is spelled with an I-E instead of the E-Y. One more. Field. Can you guys say the word field? Let's chunk it out. F-E-L-D. Field. Do you hear that long E again? Let's take a look at your practice page, friends. I have put some letter sounds on the side of the graphic organizer on the left-hand side. Go ahead and write these sounds. Gr, ch, sh, f, and ld. Some of these are beginning sounds we can use, and one of them is an ending sound that we can use to make words with the long E sound in the middle. Go ahead and put ch in your first box, C-H. Now, if I put ch in the beginning of the word, and I have E in the middle of the word, ch, E, what could I put at the end? Chief is correct. Do you see how I put those together to make the word chief? Now, I want you to try to make a one-syllable word using the sounds on the side, just as we did with beginning and ending sounds. Pause this video and see if you can make a word. Well, let's see how you did. Remember, I have that middle sound, E. I chose F in the beginning of this word for mine. E-L-D. Field. Field. If you said field, you were correct. There are a couple others you could have done in there. So if you did any other words, check those with your learning guide, and I'm sure you did a great job. On the other side of our graphic organizer, I wrote the beginning sounds of some words. I wrote hun and mun. See if you can put hun and mun together with our long E ending to create a 2-syllable word. Pause this video, and then I want you to come right back to check. All right, let's see how you did. If you put mun in front of the E sound for one of them, you were correct. We just made a 2-syllable word. Mun-E, money. Let's clap that out. Mun-E, money. Let's try that with one more word sound. Honey. Let's clap that one out. Hun-E, honey. Do you see how we made a 2-syllable word? Let's go back to these words on the left. Let's try and figure out if those are 1-syllable or 2-syllable words. Chief. Chief. Is that one syllable or two? That is one syllable. Let's try one more time. Field. Field. One clap, so that means it's one syllable. What I want you to do, friends, is I want you to practice that long E sound by reading this bottom list of words with your learning guide. You guys have done a great job so far in Lesson 3. Don't forget, you are at the end of Lesson 3. Make sure you call, text, or email me to let me know that you are ready for your assessment in Lesson 3. You guys did a great job, and I look forward to hearing from you.